Let's talk about DIY pest control and my 3 favorite products and why I like using them. First, we're going to talk with the Granular that I can spread on the entire yard. That's something that's going to help take the pests and the bugs from getting even close to my house. Then we're going to talk about a barrier spray, something I can spray on the perimeter, both indoors and outdoors at different concentration levels in order to make sure they're not making it past my walls. And then finally, a light, something that's going to attract those bugs directly to it. So if they have made it around and they're flying around, they get attracted. I can't wait to show you the before and after on these so you can see exactly how many gnats and flies I'm able to get just with this. With kids leaving doors open and plants attracting bugs, it is so important to protect my house and my investment, and you can do it too with this DIY pest control. Now let's talk about price. This is going to be just about a $20 investment. This is going to be about a $25 investment. And this is going to be about a $60 investment. This is a product from Crosscheck that you can use, and most professionals use it too. Make sure you check it out. You end up only using 1 to 2 ounces every single month, so this whole bottle is going to last you a long time. This is from Nitrofos. This is my preferred granular. It might not be available in your area. I believe this is a South Texas product made here in Texas, but I love it. It works great. I know these are nationally available, and I can't wait to show you from Zevo exactly how easy they are to put in and make DIY pest control something anyone can do. So we're talking about Crosscheck first. This is one of my favorite products. Now, I've read the label on this, and this thing takes care of everything from fleas, ticks, termites, everything you can think of, this is going to take care of. And it's safe to use indoors in one quantity and also another for outdoors. So all you're going to do is when you pick this up, you're going to load this top up right here with 2 ounces to 1 gallon if you're spraying outdoors. And it's a simple, easy spray. But instead of me talking to you about it, let me go ahead and show you how easy it is to do. Now this spray is mixed 2 ounces to 1 gallon when I'm spraying outdoors. I spray in a cone-shaped pattern to really coat it and get the weep holes really well too. That can be an easy place for bugs to attack and get in. So anywhere I have any type of little crevice, that's what I'm going to want to do. Spraying really good, nice good coating. I spray around everything that is wide open. Spraying this on, check the weather first. Make sure that it's not going to rain for at least 2 days before spraying this on. If you can, turn your sprinklers off also in order to make sure that this is not going to just immediately wash off. You don't want to do it when it's too wet, but you want to keep it nice and covered. One of the things I like to do also is spray around the edges of my window because I feel like I end up finding small bugs in there. So I might as well take care of it now. See corners like this? If I go ahead and spray it now, it's going to help deter wasps, bees, and other things I don't really want around my kids. This is one of my favorite products to have indoors. It's simply a light. It looks like a night light for most of my kids, but they work. And I'm going to turn these around and let you see the difference between a new one and a used one. And it is drastically different. This is what a new one looks like. Barely have had it in. And this is how clean it looks. Kids leave doors open and plants naturally attract bugs. Let me go ahead and turn this one around for you. Do they work? This is a definitely yes. Every single one of these gnats is something that's not bothering my wife and kids. This is a granular. I like to spread this over my whole yard a couple times a year. Actually, once every 2 months or so is usually going to be the best thing. I do it by hand so I know where to go, plus my yard's not that big. I prefer this from Nitrofos. It's a great product, great fertilizer, and no, they're not a sponsor. But I fill it up, take the time, walk it around, and take care of it. This is going to help me also look out for things as well, like standing water and other things that I need to take care of to help keep the mosquitoes away. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do, and then let's get started. When I'm using a granule like this, it's nice to do it by hand because I can see exactly where it goes. I set it on a nice medium for good coverage. I have found I can be a good neighbor and walk down the middle between houses and get both sides, ensuring it's done correctly. We care a lot about our yard and have lots of friends and family over. That's why we take DIY pest control seriously, and I hope you know that it's something you can handle too. Make sure you're staying safe, as always, with chemicals, but go ahead and start this DIY project out this weekend and save yourself thousands of dollars.